Good morning, guys. So we just got back from the city and we got a lot of things picked up for the house. We got the material for the cabinet doors and the drawer fronts, and
picked up the bathroom faucet and all the toiletries and whatever.
Kitchen
the good,
faucet.
like all the goodies for the bathroom, kitchen or the bathroom sink.
the tile for around the bathtub,
And our windows showed up today.
doorknobs, and our windows showed up today. So we are going to be unloading the stuff we have here from the city, and then we're going to be going uptown and picking up the windows. So a lot of work to do today. This is really exciting. So we're in Home Depot, our Home Hardware right now, and since the paint is on sale right now, we're going to be picking out our paint right now and buying it so that we have everything we're ready to go since it's on sale. Got the paint, got rollers, got a nice handle for the rollers. What else did we get?
A whole ton of paint!
I already said that.
I know, but a whole ton of paint.
Yeah, we got paint, and then after that we got a little bit more paint.
And then we got some more paint.
Yeah.
We literally bought 11 gallons and then one like a quart or whatever, like just a little guy.
Yeah. So you'll be seeing our colors in a little bit once we start painting. I don't think I've shared the colors yet, and I'm not going to till we start painting.
Well guys, we are officially mixing the mud to start mudding so that we can get ready for painting.
Here's my giant of a man. This way we don't need to follow the ladder around constantly, move it constantly. So we have, I think we're finished taping, if I'm not mistaken. Minus the outside corners, which I thought I'm doing right now. And that one I'm taping. And just gotta touch up the mud. Good morning, guys. It is Saturday and we just finished lunch and we're heading back out to the trailer to finish up the mudding process, and we have heaters in there now that will dry it properly so that we can so that will dry faster so we can get onto other things sooner. But I think as soon as we're done with the last mudding in there, we're going to be putting the windows in and then starting to put together the cabinet doors for the cupboards. So it's a little bit squishy in here, okay? It's a little bit too squishy in this living room, okay? You need to go back over there to the room. Good morning, guys. It is Sunday and we finished sanding down all of the seams and where the screws are and stuff. Sorry, I was just running. And we are now priming the walls and getting them ready to paint. So you can't see from the light, but you can see maybe a little bit. I'll turn this around. You see kind of before and after. This is a primer. And we have the bathroom done. We're not painting here because we're tiling here. And there's gonna be a cabinet and stuff here, so we're not painting all of it. And then the bedroom is completely primed, ceiling and everything. We're not doing the corners because there's upper trim coming there, so we don't need to waste time doing that. But everything in here is primed and ready to be painted. So that's the closets. Oh, you forgot one side. I have to call them in here. Yeah, now it's done in here.
Well, first, French vanilla from Timmy's.
Yeah.
Other than that, just priming all the walls so we can move on to color. We're kind of in a time crunch. We have a couple days left before my dad goes back to work. So we want to get as much done as we possibly can so that we can move in before I have to go back to work. So we're kind of trying to speed this along as fast as we can. Hoping to have all the primer finished today. And then first thing in the morning, on to our colors. First coat. Well guys, the day is over. I think we've gotten quite a bit accomplished. We got the whole undercoat done and it's bedtime. So tomorrow is where color starts coming in. The final coat's coming in. Hopefully we can do first coat in the morning and second coat by the afternoon so that we can start cleaning up and sweeping the floors so that we can put the flooring in. So stay tuned guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you hang around. And give us a thumbs up if you want to see more. Good night.